Hello everyone, my name is Josinji Palilang. So today I'm going to share to you my interview with Ma'am Zaira T. Sogalan. She shared valuable insights on her role and experiences in the early childhood department, which I'm going to share it to you. But first, I'm going to share it to you her background on how she became a directress. She said at first she was only observing as an assistant teacher in the church. Later on, she pursued a degree in teacher education major in values education at Benguet State University. As time went by, Mom Zaira was able to apply what she had learned from observing in the church to preserve teaching at BSU. For almost 3 years of teaching children in the church, she became familiar with how to teach and handle them. Because of this, she was given the honor to serve as a directress at CHBBC Canon. Now let's talk about her rules, characters, and experience. So, her role in the church is to oversee the children's learning and growth. She prepares lessons, organizes activities, and ensures that every child feels guided and valued in her daily tasks. She handles her students with patience and understanding, making sure that lessons are both educational and enjoyable. And she also set rules in the classroom with kindness so that the children learn discipline while still feeling loved and supported. Even it's hard to handle them, but by grace of God, she did it. For Mom Zaira, the characters of a directress are having patience, leadership, compassion, and consistency. She embodied this by treating every children fairly, guiding them gently, and leading by example. She makes sure to be approachable so that children and teachers feel comfortable sharing their thoughts. And also the directress share her experience. She said that it is a great responsibility and a blessing. It has taught her how to balance leadership and humility and service. Her greatest joy is seeing children grow not only in knowledge but also in values and faith. Her experience also depends on her passion for teaching, and it motivates her to continue learning and improving as an educator and as a leader. That's all, and thank you for listening to my video presentation about my interview for Mom Zaira T. Sugalan.